Hello, I'm Katie Magoteaux, and I am the general manager here at AOT, which is Accuride's tire and wheel assembly here in Springfield, Ohio. AOT stands for Assemblies on Time, and we have been part of the Accuride team for over 30 years here at this facility in Springfield. AOT is an IATF certified facility that uses state-of-the-art equipment to torque, match mount, inflate, and balance our assemblies to our customer specification. Our ability to supply them in a just-in-time manner allows them to maintain lean processes throughout their whole production line. In order for us to supply our customer just in time, we have the ability to receive EDI data, which is electronic data interchange, and we are able to take that information, run it through our systems to break out their line set information and send it back to them in the sequence and the combinations that they prefer. Having semi-automatic equipment, our facility has the ability to take EDI information and integrate with our line capacities, and where we are able to mount and inflate tire and wheel assemblies ranging from 19.5 inch to 24.5 inch without having to have any changeovers throughout our process. Part of our process is that we balance and label our product according to our customer specifications. Safety is our #1 priority here at AOT. We pride ourselves on having gone over 14 years without a lost time accident in this facility. In addition to our tire and wheel assembly, we also do distribution for Accuride. So we have Accuride's Springfield Distribution out of this location, in which we can ship customer specific products just in time via milk runs or full trailer loads.